Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam question number 68 in Physics Demystified 2nd edition. If you have the printed book, please look at the top of page 529. And I also recommend now that you look at the previous question number 67 and watch the video that describes the answer to that particular question. This one has the same exact scenario with waves X and Y. We have wave X leading wave Y by 120 degrees. So wave Y occurs 120 degrees or 1/3 of a cycle later in time. Get rid of this E here, that's from the previous video, and that's not the answer to this one. This one's different because now we're looking at a wave Z. A wave Z, which is not yet shown here. Wave Y lags wave Z by 1/6 of a cycle. So wave Z occurs 1/6 of a cycle ahead of wave Y. Y, here's a point, positive going and 0. So we can use that as a reference, move over 1/6 of a cycle. We get that. Here we move over 1/6 of a cycle, we get this. Negative going and 0. 1/6 of a cycle, we get that. Positive going and 0. Pardon me, that's wave X. This just follows along. Well, we can fill it in more or less like this. This is wave Z. Now we want to know, how does wave Z relate to wave X? Well, notice that wave Z occurs 1/6 of a cycle later than wave X. Wave X, 0 and positive going. Wave Z, 0 and positive going, reference points. 1/6 of a cycle. Wave X, 0 and negative going. Wave Z, 0 and negative going. 1/6 of a cycle, so wave X leads wave Z by 1/6 of a cycle. That's 60 degrees of phase. Remember, 360 divided by 6, 60 degrees of phase. So wave X leads wave Z by 60 degrees. And when we look through our repertoire of answers, choice B fits the bill here.